Hi, welcome to an introduction to the Talking Scientific Calculator app from the Statewide Vision Resource Centre. In this tutorial, I'm going to show some of the basic functions of the Talking Scientific Calculator app. When you first open the app, you will be taken to the main calculator screen. You can type a calculation either through the on-screen keyboard or with an external keyboard, and it will be read out.
2, 4, 5, plus 8, 9, 0
The answer will be read out once you tap the equals sign.
equals 1,135.
Mode settings can be altered using the buttons near the top left-hand side of the screen. Entry mode can be standard or formula.
Formula.
Formula means everything before the equal sign is shown on one line.
1, 2, subtract 4 equals 8.
Speech mode can be talk or silent. There's also a slider under the results bar that can be used to adjust the speech volume.
Talk mode.
Display mode can be set to low, which is the default, or high contrast.
High contrast.
High contrast has black buttons with white text and a yellow background. The results are black text on a pale green background.
Low contrast.
Trigonometric mode can be set to degrees, radians, or gradients. And there's also an option to go from decimal mode to hexadecimal mode, or base 16. In the top right-hand side of the screen, there's a box with an arrow which takes you to the Actions menu. Once enabled, you can view the paper log, which is a time-stamped log of all the calculations you have done. You can double tap to zoom in on the log. Within the Actions menu, there is also an option to email the paper log, clear the paper log, or disable it. Other options include voice selection, where you can decide how numbers are read out and also choose a custom voice recording. Voice recording, where you can make your own recording of each number and operation. VoiceOver options, should you use the app with VoiceOver. And numeric formats, where you can make adjustments to how a number is displayed. The inbuilt help menu is substantial and includes explanations on using a braille display or external keyboard, VoiceOver, and links to videos from the app creator. Thanks for listening to this introduction to the Talking Scientific Calculator app from the Statewide Vision Resource Centre.